Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have discussed base for topology and solved some theorems on base for topology. Okay, now we are going to discuss the basic concept of separation axioms like T0 space, T1 space and T2 space. Okay, first we should understand what is T0 space. Okay, let X tau be a topological space. X tau is a topological space. Then X tau is said to be T0 space. This X tau is said to be T0 space if and only if for distinct points x1 and x2 in X, there exists tau open set G such that x1 belongs to G and x2 does not belongs to G, or x2 belongs to G and x1 does not belongs to G. This is T0 space. T0 space nothing but x tau is a topological space. Okay, x tau is said to be T0 space if there exist points x1 and x2 in the set X. Okay, then there exists an open set G such that x1, if x1 belongs to G, then x2 does not belongs to G, or if x2 belongs to G, then x1 does not belongs to, and x1 does not belongs to G. If this condition holds good, then x tau is said to be T0 space. For example, let X equal set of ABC, tau equals set of X pi singleton set A, singleton set B, set of A comma B. To show that X tau is a T0 space, first write given X, write tau. Okay, by using definition of T0 space nothing but for any two distinct points. For the distinct points A and B, there exists a tau open set of A or set of B such that here either A belongs to this set and B does not belongs to this set, or B belongs to singleton set A and A does not belongs to singleton set B. Here for any two distinct elements A and B, there exists a tau open set singleton set A or singleton set B such that A belongs to singleton set A and B does not belongs to singleton set A, or B belongs to singleton set A and A does not belongs to singleton set B. Hence X tau is a T0 space. Okay. Every discrete space X tau is a T0 space. See here suppose X tau is a discrete space, then it is a T0 space. Okay, consider for example, let X equals A comma B, tau equals X by singleton set A, singleton set B. For if A and B are the elements of X, if A and B are elements of X and they are distinct points, then there exists a tau open set A such that B does not belongs to singleton set A, but A belongs to singleton set A. Then second point, then there exists a tau open set G, tau open set of B such that B belongs to singleton set B, but A does not belongs to singleton set B. Hence every discrete X tau is a T0 space. Okay. And in discrete space X tau is a T0 space. Let X equals set of AB, tau equals X pi because it is in discrete space. Hence X tau is an indiscrete space. Okay. If A and B are the elements of X and they are not equal, then there exists no tau open set which contains one of A and B and does not contain the other. Here only one non-empty tau open set in X which contains both open and closed. Hence an indiscrete space is not a T0 space. Next theorem, prove that every subspace of a T0 space is T0 space and hence the property is hereditary, or the question may be the property of T0 space is T0 space has a hereditary property. Okay, first let X tau be a T0 space. Okay, YU is a subspace of X tau. Here we have to show that YU is a T0 space. Since Y is a subset of X, X1 and X2 are two distinct points of Y. it is given that x tau is a T naught space. Then there exists open set G, which is a member of tau, such that x1 belongs to G and x2 does not belongs to G. Now x1 belongs to G and x1 belongs to Y implies x1 belongs to Y intersection G. This implies that such that x1 belongs to Y intersection G, x2 does not belongs to Y intersection G. This shows that YU is a T naught space. Hence, the property of being a T naught space is a hereditary property. Next theorem. Let x tau is T naught space, YU is a subspace of x tau. If F maps from x to Y is 1, 1 and on to an open mapping, then YU is an open space or T naught space. Or the question may be the property of a space of being a T naught space presented by 1 to 1 and 2 open mapping, hence is a topological property. Okay, proof. Let x tau be a T naught space. Okay, let F be 1, 1 open mapping of x tau onto another topological space y comma u. To show that YU is a T naught space, consider any two elements of Y. Y1 and Y2 belongs to Y and they are not equal. Okay, there exists a neighborhood U of X which does not contain x2. Then there exists a neighborhood U of X which does not contain x2. This implies F of U is a neighborhood of Y, since it is given that it is an open mapping. Okay, therefore y1 is a member of F of U which does not contain y2. Hence y comma u is also T naught space.